All right, we'll just give her a little tightening up and we should be good. Welcome back to the channel, folks. It's been a little while, but yeah, I've been kind of busy with this white stuff here. Yeah, we've had a bit of a blizzard, and the last couple of weeks I've just spent all my time shoveling snow and having a great old time with my old friends helping me do that. So, but you know, that kind of is wearing on me a little bit, physically and mentally. And I'm going to have to let my old friends go for now and get back to work in the shop. So I'll just give you a parting shot of my old friends, and they're all standing here by the door. Yeah, you know, it's been a slice, but yeah, no, I got better things to do now. So let me get a tank of gas out of the shed for the welder and get that hooked up when we get back in business. All right, hope to see you in the shop. Okay, got the Argon tank out of the shed. I'm gonna see if I can get it onto that cart. Yeah, as you can see, it's a little bit bigger, but price was right. Just gotta be able to get it up there on that cart. I'm not exactly sure how that's gonna happen, but this one's nothing. This is a beast, this thing. I already tried lifting it, I can't lift it. I don't know how much it weighs, probably a couple 100 pounds or something. I should figure that out someday. But I think if I can get it up on some pieces of wood, I may be able to get it high enough. Oh. Almost, not quite. Try that again. Yeah. Nope. I'm short on room here. One more try. Believe it or not, I had this in the front seat of my Chevy Cobalt. It's bringing home. Not sure if it was legal, but it was effective anyways. Go down with a thud. Ooh. And it doesn't fit. Doesn't fit, you must have quit. All right, now I'm stuck. Oh. Oh. Well, maybe I can lift it, but I don't think I want to do that again. I gotta go to physio tomorrow, so they won't be happy with that. Yeah, that's gonna hurt tomorrow, no doubt. All right, I gotta find a spacer for that. Let's see what I got. Don't move. It could be disastrous. Piece of this, maybe. Is that gonna be enough? No, really, don't move. Like, I'm serious. I'm counting on you not moving. Okay. All right. I'm gonna take this in the house and cut it with the wood saw. I'll be back. Keep an eye on it for me. Okay. Got the spacers so that that tank will fit in there now. Just nicely. So yeah, just gonna get it back where I had it. However I did that, something like that. There we go. It's more like that, and all right, come on now. Come on now, get in there. Stop being stubborn, come on. Oh, okay. That worked.
I don't really know how heavy these tanks are when they're full. This one I don't think is full, but it's still pretty friggin' heavy, whatever's in it. Like it must be pretty thick steel. Nothing's collapsed yet, so that's good. Okay. The right fitting. Yep. Yep. So that's gonna reach. That's good. All right, I better secure this in before something bad happens. Well, this will be the true torture test for my home-built cart. Should tighten it up a bit. I don't want it flopping around.
All right, we'll just give her a little tightening up and we should be good. Oh yeah. Come on, oh yeah. Oh, one more. Oh yeah. Oh, that's perfect. That ain't going nowhere. All right, we'll just leave this here for next time.
Well, it doesn't get too windy in here, I'll be fine. I won't have any troubles reading the gauge, it's just about perfect. Just like that. All right, let's see what happens. Ooh. All right. Well, there's not a ton in here. There's 1,000 PSI. Well, I don't know how much these take. 5,000? Yeah, it looks like it. I don't know. I can never read these numbers, what they mean. You gotta be like some kind of geographical scientist or something. Well, I should check it for leaks, I guess. Maybe some Windex. No bubbles, no trouble. So they say. Okay, I'll just shut that off for now, in case there is a leak somewhere, who knows. Anyways, since that's empty, I don't think I'll be keeping it. 'Cause I don't think anybody's gonna refill it for me. I don't know whose tank it is. Right now it's mine, that's all I can say. Okay, that's that back working again. The other thing I gotta do is fix that brake. Let me show you what's going on there. Okay, so yeah, I bought this, I'm gonna call it a Princess Auto brake. I bought that in the summertime off of Marketplace, of course. But realized first time I used it, there was an issue. This weld just snapped off, so I gotta weld that back on. And then I can use this because only one side locks now. So yeah, I need to fix this. Let's put it that way. So yeah, I'm gonna do that first. So let me get this thing figured out. I'll clean it up so I can weld it, and then I'll try welding it. I don't know what kind of steel this is. Like, maybe it's hardened steel. I don't know, that pin. But somebody welded it once, so you know, why don't I? Anyways, I'll get it cleaned up and get it ready to weld, and I'll put you back on. Got it ground down. Nice little point on there. See if I can get in there with this little cutoff wheel. Don't be too hard. Oh yeah, no problem. Okay, put that stud back in and line it up. That. It's cockeyed, that's how it is. That's better. A little bit more. A little bit more. Not bad. And that way is... Oh. Give me some room here. That's pretty good right there. Pretty good right there. I guess that's what happened. They didn't push it in far enough when they welded it, so I'm gonna go with that anyways. All right. Oh, okay. Yeah, so it's welded back on again. Where is it? Right there. So I just gotta hook that onto there. And it should be operational. I just gotta figure out how to adjust it. Okay. Got this fixed up. I had to run a die over it, tap and die, fix the threads because I whacked it with a hammer accidentally, of course. But I did get it straightened out and rethreaded, and it's just pretty much awesome now. So now, let's see how this goes back together. Now what? Okay, I got you. Okay, well apparently that's not how you do it. It's got to got to get a vice grip. That's what it's got to. I mean, it's only a matter of time before I get this figured out. Honey goo, try that. The hole's not even centered in the nut. That's awesome. I don't think I could do that even by accident. Okay, this is taking me a lot of time. I don't know what the problem is. I'm the problem? Again? Holy crap. Okay, that's good. And if not, well, we'll rectify the situation. Okay, that's the brake finally fixed. That was a long time wait. I haven't touched the thing since basically I bought it, and I knew it was gonna need a bit of work, so that's fine. I should have done it a couple months ago, but now I need it, and so now I had to fix it. So we got the brake back in action, we got the welder back in action, and now let me flip you around and we'll see. Yeah, so now I've got to tidy up a bit here and then cut that flange out right there where that hole is. Cut that piece of flange out and make a piece of metal. Of course, I'm gonna have to make a bigger hole there. Cut the rust out. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Oh, I've already been out here for, I don't know, an hour and a half. Just getting things going again. But sometimes that's the way it goes, right? Yeah. Well, I'm glad I got that thing working, because I definitely need that for doing these floors. That's gonna be handy. And I can't live without a welder. So, yeah, so I bought this welder last summer. It's not an inverter welder, I don't think. It's it's got a transformer in it. The thing's very heavy. But should last a long time, technically. If I don't spool out, 100 yards at a time while I set the big gun down accidentally. Try not to do that again. But we're getting there.
Thanks for watching, folks. Unfortunately, we didn't get a whole lot done in this video, but sometimes you just got to stop and do a bit of maintenance in the shop and get things organized again, and then you can, take off from there again and get some work done. And that's kind of what we had to do today. So we're all ready to go again, and next episode we're cutting, hacking, and slicing on the firewall again, and putting some patches in and just getting it ready to be painted again. So that's the strategy for next video, and I'm looking forward to that. Hope to see you there. Giddy up, yeehaw, let's go, yeehaw! Giddy up, let's go, yeehaw! All right.